welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool song here from Nothing But Thieves. This one is called Welcome to the DCC. This is not a guitar song by any means, but it's cool to cover something different sometimes. And this one is real powerful, cool, has this a little bit of the Weekend aura over it, some of his songs. And yeah, let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this one. We'll go over the chords first. So let's take a look at the chords. We have the A minor first. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the F, so that is a bar chord. You place your finger here over the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. The G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then finally we have the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, so let's take a look at this cool intro first. It goes like this. Alright, so it's based upon A minor, F, and G. So the A minor part is this. So it's 2 times on the open A, then second A, third A, open D, then open A, second A, third A, and open D. So you're gonna play that for 3 rounds. 1 round goes like this slowly. So 3 rounds. Okay, then you play the F part 1 round, and you will just play the first fret E string here instead of the open A to begin with. You're gonna play that part, so that is first fret on E string 2 times, then second A, third A, and open D. And that's the F, and then the G part will be third on E, open A, third D, third A, and second A. That's the G parts. So the F part was 2 times on the first fret E string, second A, third A, open D, and then the G part was third on E, open A, third A, second A. So the F and G part goes like this slowly. Alright, so there you have the intro for the song, and this goes in the background as well, but we will have the verse play with straight strumming here and straight chords. You can play this in the background as well, but yeah, it's easier to handle this song with the strumming pattern. So we'll take a look at the strumming pattern. The first chord will be A minor, so grab that one. We'll play this. So that will be down, 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 up. Okay, so 1 round. A couple rounds of it sounds like this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right. So the verse play is A minor, 8 rounds, F, 6 rounds, and G, 2 rounds. You play that for a couple rounds, that chord progression. So A minor 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, chord progression for the verse. And that takes us then to the chorus play, Welcome to the DCC, sorry. And you have there the A minor 4-string rounds, F2 and D minor 2. You play that for 2 chord progression rounds, always on the chorus. So A minor 4, F2, and D minor 2. Again, A minor 4, 3, 4, F2, and D minor 2. All right. And then we have the post-chorus part left. So now we're gonna skip the strumming pattern and just work with fast downs only. So I'm just gonna mention numbers here. That's how many downs you're gonna play. And it sounds like this. That is 1 chord progression round. So you're gonna play 3 D minors, 1, 2, 3, then you switch to A minor and play 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then G3, and D minor 5. All right, so we can stop there. That's the half of it. So again, the rhythm here is a little bit special. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so D, 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 A, 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 G, G, D, 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 D. Okay, so that's the first half. D minor 3, A minor 5, G3, D minor 5. Then you're gonna continue D minor 3, A minor 5, and then you play G8. So 1, 2, 3 on D minor, and then A minor 5, and then you go with G8. And that is one big chord progression there. So to summarize this one, from the beginning, D minor 3, A minor 5, G3, D minor 5, D minor 3, A minor 5, G8. One slow round goes like this. And one fast round. There you have the post-chorus. You're going to play that for 3 rounds, and there you have the tools to handle Nothing But Thieves. Welcome to the DCC. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you enjoy it, and play tuned.